I've been woodworking for 40 years. I started my profession digging pieces of wood out of dumpsters, finding ways to build things in my garage, and I really had a love for it. And through time started selling my own projects, my own custom work. I really realized that that was an amazing amount of time that I had to invest in the shop. Everything I had to build myself. I remember when you were just a baby, spending till 2, 3 o'clock in the morning working on woodworking projects and missing the weekends with you guys because I was really swapping my time for money. As I got more into woodworking and more into leveraging things, I noticed that I could start to buy components like drawers, doors, and start to put it on my own custom boxes. And that allowed me to build even more leverage. And what I'm kind of seeing for you is that you're actually leveraging time even more so.
I've kind of focused on being able to give them quality work with it still being cost effective.
So it was kind of putting together your craft and your techniques and overall skill into a pre-manufactured product, but give it that kind of custom element, that better installation.
Yeah.
And that to me was the learning that I had over the 40 years that I've been building, is that I can still put my custom elements on things, but I can leverage the time of a company like Highland Cabinetry and put my custom touches on it and really make it a high quality installation.
Yeah.
And I'm not sleeping on my table saw at 2 o'clock in the morning trying to get 2 hours of shut-eye so I can get to work again. I'm actually finding more time to spend doing things that I love and spending time with you and family and everything like that.
It's really not a time in my life I don't remember you woodworking in some aspect. When I was little kid.
You couldn't even see over the table saw when you first came in.
Yeah, you could see the lights all dim when the table saw turned on because it
was
was
sucking power from
all the power from the house. I would get excited because I know you were in the shop.
Yeah, I could see your little head popping up over the table saw, and then I just remember how focused you were and like you didn't want to make a mistake. You didn't move a lot, and you were actually a really good tail guy on the saw. And I said, one day he's going to be better than me. And you've been in the shop now for 21 years. Because you were about 4 when you started kind of playing around in the shop with me. And I remember never being afraid of you being in the shop or doing something stupid.
It's very key to me that the customer is happy, because if you have an unhappy customer with cabinetry, it kind of puts a sour taste in their mouth about cabinetry, and they don't like their kitchen, they don't like these aspects.
It's a main part of the home. It's important to have a really, really good quality installation and good cabinet. You can take a good cabinet or a bad cabinet and make it even worse by a poor installation. But having a good cabinet to start, having the parts available makes all the difference in the world. You can go to Highland Cabinetry and you can grab that part and get out to the job site and finish it. You're finishing projects, it looks like faster and faster because you have that ability. And that's another part of leveraging the time, right? If you're going to buy parts, you want to make sure that any warranty or anything that you need to do, or if something gets damaged on site, that you can go and get those parts. So it makes all the difference in the world. You're finishing projects in a week from being start to finish, and sometimes in a matter of days. And that's that leverage of time where you're not spending 6 weeks building something and then having to go install it. You're literally picking it up as a package. You've leveraged now 60 employees worth of work in the factory. You get it done and then taking it to the install. Saving all of that work in the front end has made all the difference in the world to get that project done.
Working with your hands, kind of creating something from nothing at a larger scale, now that I can get the product quickly and have quality products and watch a kitchen grow from nothing and someone's little drawing they drew in a notebook to a full render to a fully done kitchen. It's really rewarding. It's like finishing a puzzle. You can kind of just sit back and look at it at the end.
It's a bit like putting Legos together.
Yeah.
You kind of stack and choose things and you still get a good amount of creativity.
I'm gonna take care of what needs to be taken care of. I care about the product I'm putting into the home. I want to use a nice product that goes in the home, not something just falls apart. I want to be able to give them something that they're super happy with, especially in Colorado with how expensive things have gotten. Still allow them to have those nice pieces in their home and be able to enjoy their kitchens and enjoy the work that's in their home.
And I remember even to my youngest memories of building RC planes with my father and putting pieces of wood together and showing him my little handcrafted planes. There was always that big feeling of pride in me showing product to people, and I don't think that's ever changed. And I see that in you, is that you'll work until it's absolutely as perfect as it could possibly be. And it's really given to the craft. It's really given respect to what we're doing and to the customers. Now we're at the point where we're starting to teach other generations. You're the next generation for our family to allow that craft to continue. And it's important, I think, for you and I both from a family standpoint, is to have that legacy kind of moving forward. So I'm looking forward to continuing. One of the things that we're most excited about is to teach small and mid-sized companies on how to grow their business. Leverage companies like Highland Cabinetry, Colorado to get the job done faster, make more money, and to grow their overall business. Give us a call. Let us show you how we can.